Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm the creator of Lead the Way Tours, which operates here in Carrickfergus, and I specialise on the activities that happened here during the Second World War. As a proud resident of Carrickfergus, I was amazed by the role this town played during the Second World War, and it drove me on to try and tell other people the same story, about how we made things, how soldiers came through here, and really how we went on to make a more than significant contribution to the outcome of the Second World War. I think the most exciting part of the tour is just to hear about the ordinary lives of people during a very difficult time in our history. I want the story of the town to be important to people, and I want the story of people who lived during the Second World War to be remembered by today's generation, because it's so important to us that we don't forget, and it's not all about the men who died for us in the front line. It's about those who came back. It's about those who maintained a family life when they were here. It's the women who worked in factories to produce the goods that the men in the front line needed. It's the kids who dug up ground to create gardens, to grow carrots and onions, to put food on the table. It's those things which are vitally important that we keep alive. And I think they're better told through a story than through a textbook.